Hi friends, this is your Python partner here, and now we are going to see the program on list methods. So here we can imagine a situation, okay? It is an academy or a college where a particular course is going to be started, okay? So before that, what would happen? Admission for that same course will happen. So for that, students, it is a variable referring to this list, okay? The list contains the names, that is Hari, Shyam, Priya, Sanjay, Chandan, Drishya, Dev, Vinod and Savita. So these are the names of the students who took admission, and this is the order in which they took the admission. So at first we are just going to print the students, okay? So we'll get that entire list, fine. And now after admission, what will happen? Yes, we have to sort the students, right? We have to sort the names of the students alphabetically. And you know the sort of method? Yes, students dot sort of. The sort of method will sort that list permanently and we cannot revert back to the original. And here I'm just going to print the students after sort. Okay, fine. So the list is entirely sorted alphabetically. Fine. Now, if you are someone who doesn't know what is the sort of method or something, you have to know about it first in order to continue watching this. So I'll include the video link of the same in the description box. You just go and watch that video and come back here. Others, you can follow me here. And our next line, it is a special fee. It is a special fee is a variable that is referring to the list with some names of students. Here it is Hari, Priya, Sanjay and Drishya. So as in a college, we'll have some special classes, right? So in order that we have to pay special fees. Okay, so the thing is, this 4 persons inside this special fee list has already paid that thing. Okay, fine. So this is the order in which they paid the fees. So we are really not interested to sort this list completely. Like permanently we don't want to sort, but we can temporarily show that list as sorted. So for that, what we have to use? We have to use sorted of function. So inside that sort of function, we have to pass this list name special fee so that we can get the output. So this is the output. Temporarily, we have just sorted this list special fee. Okay. And if you are going to print this once again, you can see the special fee is not permanently sorted, but the original order of the list retains. Okay. Yes. Now our second line of code, it is pending fee. It is an empty list. Okay. At first it is an empty list. And now we are just going for a for loop here. And if you doesn't know what is for loop or if loop, here you have to watch that videos at first. I'll include the links of the same in the description box. You can go watch that and come back here. Others, you can follow me here. So now for name, you know, it is a temporary variable in students. So students is the list we are going to consider at first. So for name in students, so the first name from students will be taken. So the first value is Chandan. Okay. So now in this name, it is a variable. It is referring to Chandan. Okay. So for name for Chandan in students, and we have to once again check same name of if Chandan in special fee. So special fee is the list where the students have already paid the fees for the special class, right? So we have to see whether Chandan is inside the special fee category. So once when it checks, it is not there. So normally the if block will be ignored and the program's control will go to else block and it will print Chandan, you haven't paid the special fee, pay it soon. And here name dot title of, in order to change that name to title case, in sense to change the first letter to capital. Fine. And what we have to do? And then we are just appending that name. Here it is Chandan, right? Chandan to pending fee list. Okay. Now once again, it will go to for loop. So our second value, it is Dev. So for Dev in students, and to check if Dev is present in special fee list, and once when checking, Dev is not. So once again, the if loop will never be executed. The program control goes to else block and it prints Dev, you haven't paid the special fee, pay it soon. And Dev's name will be added to the pending list. that is pending field, dot append of name. What is the value of name now it is referring to? It is Dev. So Chandan and Dev is now inside this pending field list. Okay, once again the program control goes to for loop, and the third value from the student list, it is Drishya. Okay, for Drishya in students, it is once again checking if Drishya in the special fee category. On checking, yes, Drishya is already there. So the if loop condition test get passed. So this printf statement will be executed. So here Drishya, your special class entry is allowed. Okay, fine. And this else block will be ignored, and the program control once again goes to for loop, and our third value is Hari. So for Hari in students, if Hari in special fee, we have to check if Hari is in the special fee category. Yes, he is already there. And once again, this if block will be executed. Hari, your special class entry is allowed. Else block will be ignored. Likewise, it goes on till the last student. In that list, it is Vinod. Once when checking Vinod is not in special fee category, so the else block will be executed. If block will be completely ignored. And it will print Vinod, you haven't paid the fees and pay it soon. Okay. And we are just going to add Vinod to that pending fee list. And now, after completing all this, the for loop is completed. And now we are just going to print that pending fee. Okay. The list includes Chandan, Dev, Savita, Shyam and Vinod. Okay. Now, principal or any head of the teacher really started to think, what if are they really going to pay fees or not, or what should we do like that? So in order to do that, I've written second for loop. Here, we are just going to ask the students, are you going to pay the fees now or not? Likewise, everywhere it happens, right? So take it in that sense. So for name in pending fee. So in pending fee, this name is a temporary variable for name in pending fee. Name is a temporary variable. Now it is going to pull the values from pending fee list. Okay. So our first list, like Chandan, right? For the our first value is Chandan. So to Chandan, we are just going to ask, are you going to pay now? Okay, are you going to pay now? And if he press yes, we are just going to get that amount, and we are just going to append this name Chandan inside that special fee category. Okay, if he is not entered yes, in sense program goes to this LF block. Here the choice is equal to no. And if Chandan presses no in sense, we are just going to give a warning message to him, like you may miss the important topics, so pay soon. Okay. So once when this is completed, again the program control goes back to for loop for the second value. In pending fees, what is the second value? It is Dev. Okay. So for Dev, again we are going to ask, are you going to pay now? And if he press yes, his name will be appended to the special fee category. Or else he will also have this warning message. So likewise, program continues till the last value. Last value in the pending fee students, it is Vinod. Fine. Okay. Once when everything is completed, so this formality is completed. Now some students said yes and some said no. So we have to see what has actually happened with that special fee category right now. So in order to do that, we are just printing both, like we have to see pending fee students list as well as special fee updated list. Okay. So that's it. Now everything is fine and the special class is started. Okay. Now a simple problem once again arises. The thing is, students are complaining that only people from the first 5 or first 6 are really getting a doubt clearing session. And whereas the people from after that 7 to 10 or something like that, they are not really getting chance because of small time duration. So once when the complaint goes in, teachers thought, okay, let's just reverse the order of the students so that people from last will also get time for doubt clearing sessions. So in order to do that, special fee, that is the list name. These are the persons who really got into the special class, right? So dot reverse of. What will happen with reverse of method? Yes, The thing is, the entire list will be reversed. Not alphabetically, but the list entirely will be reversed from back to first. So now, at first you can see that special fee updated list. We have Hari, Priya, Sanjay, Drishya, Chandan, Savita and Vinod. So these are the persons taking that special class. So once when the complaint arises, teachers thought, okay, let's just reverse this order so that people from lost also can get in here. So now after that reversing method, after reversing that entire list, you can see Vinod, Savita, Chandan, Sanjay, Priya, Vinod, Savita, Chandan, Drishya, Sanjay, Priya, Hari. So the thing is, it is entirely reversed that list. Okay. So that's it. So that's it, friends. I hope you really understand. If you haven't understood, just hear it for 2 or 3 times, then you'll really get to know it. So try writing your own programs using for loop, if loop, and this list methods also as much as. So practice is very, very important. Think of a situation and you create an list and you just build that list and work with all list methods inside that using for loop and if loop. Then all concepts will be very clear inside your head. So that's it, friends. So friends, join me in this journey of learning. Let's make this journey more interesting. Bye bye and take care.